siguro earlier, during the first half, nagkaroon kami ng counting altercation. But I have to respect everybody because what I feel is gusto niya manalo. But I want to let him know that I'm the coach of the team and he should respect me also. And then he apologized. And that's why, and it turned out na maganda nangyari, na-focus. And then yung focus niya to it, na dahil gusto niya magpakita, ganyan, and that's one thing. And that, but that's already the thing of the past because after all, we're teammates. Kailangan we have to unite and then together para hindi maapektuhan yung team. And the good thing with the team is talagang nakikita nila, pasensyoso sila lahat And then nakita niya naman, maganda ginagawa niya lahat sa kanyang bola and all my plays, siya tinatawag ko lahat. Before that, si Don naman si Don. And then si Don, isa rin maganda nilaro niya. And then siya ang umabol, hindi kami pumitaw after ng leading by as much as 12 points. And then all of a sudden, na-wipe out, lumabang sila. But I give credit to the players because of their experience in this kind of game.
Sabi mo, understanding mo CJ
Yeah, nagkaroon yun and then kasi ang iniisip ng player is he wants to to win. He wants to win by playing a lot of times. But as a coach, I know what's happening. Okay? Because we're after the flow of the game. But knowing CJ, ibabalik at ibabalik ko siya. So, what happens because of that incident, so, na-refocus siya. And makita niyo naman siya. Nakita niyo kanina talagang ayaw patalo. And that's the kind of player na we want to have. Especially in this kind of championship, makikita niyo. The last possession, lahat sa kanya kong binigay. Although that play is not for him, because we're after sa quick 2 or quick 3, but he has the opportunity. And that kind of shot, ginagawa niya sa practices sa game. Makikita natin That's why, nung pataas pa lang bola, palagay ko papasok ito. And then, nakinig yung nasa taas natin. And I'm so happy for his guts.